Hi everyone, I'm Pauline. In this video, I'll show you the different ways in which you can use Gitpod to effectively collaborate with anyone in your team. And this is especially useful when you're working remotely, for example, to do some pair programming or debugging someone's code by accessing their actual environment instead of having long conversations on Slack. And so hopefully this will make that whole process a lot easier. We can actually collaborate and share our workspaces in two different ways. On the left here, this is my GitHub account and my own workspace, and on the right, this is my other account, and I'll be sharing that workspace with them so you can see how it works in action. The first way you can share your workspace is by actually sharing a link. So you can do this via the Gitpod dashboard. So if you go on your dashboard, which you can access on gitpod.io/workspaces, you can see all of the workspaces that you have currently running. And you can see this is my website that I'm running on Gitpod right now. And if you click on these three dots and click share, you should be able to see that this is shared. You can confirm it on here. You can also share it again. I just clicked it to not share it. So you have two different ways. You can share it via the dashboard, or you can click this button and now you'll get this pop-up that says your workspace is currently shared and anyone with the link can access this workspace. Just make sure that whoever you send this link to, you trust, because they'll have access to your code. And so just to show you, this is in my incognito mode in my other account. And as you can see, I'm now sharing this workspace. For example, well, let's change this header again. So let's just get rid of enthusiastic and we'll just leave techie, and you can again see that change in real time. And that's pretty cool because, like I said, that can open up so many opportunities and helps when we're all working remotely. The other way you can share your workspace is through snapshots. And so you can do this by heading over to the application menu here and then click on share workspace snapshot. And now you can see it's capturing a workspace snapshot here for you. This captures the current state into a snapshot, and you can use this link so that anyone can create a version of the workspace. So essentially what this has done now, they've created a completely new workspace for whoever you're collaborating with. They have exactly the same snapshot of your code from when you shared it. So now they should be able to open up exactly how it's all set up here. Collaboration just got so much more easier. I hope that you and your team use this collaboration feature. Thank you for watching.